What's up guys, my name is Synesa Fao. I am your friend and real estate agent here in the high desert. I am part of Realty One Group Empire. We are the #1 office here in the high desert. I am also part of the developer agents team, and we are the #1 team here in the high desert as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be here Sunday from 12 to 2 p.m. doing an open house at this beautiful new construction here in the Mesa area of Hesperia, California. The property address is 7871 Newhall Avenue in Hesperia, California, 92345. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's listed at $369,900, and it's an absolutely beautiful new construction. As you can see here behind me, there's this beautiful large island. You have a nice large pantry over there. Lots of open space. It's open to this huge living room right here. You also have the nice, beautiful double doors going outdoors. I will be here this Sunday from 12 to 2 p.m., so don't forget to stop by. And if you can't make it to the open house, please give me a call. I would love to help you set up a showing to view this beautiful home. I don't want you guys to miss out on this opportunity. You can see just how beautiful this home is. And it is here in the Mesa area of Hesperia, which is one of the most desirable areas here in the high desert. You can contact me at 760-905-2224, and I can't wait to see you guys on Sunday. Bye guys.